Hey everyone, I will be showing you how to use the new Build It app today. Let's go ahead and open the app real quick. And now you will see that there are a few different ways that you can log in. We will be using the sign in with Procore option. Go ahead and hit that for me. From here, you'll enter your Procore credentials if you do not know how to sign into Procore. You can hit reset your password down at the bottom, or give Samurai a call and we can try to help you out. Here is your toolbox where you can do multiple different things. You can go to the website by hitting MCP Web on the top right. It'll take you to our website. And at the top there, you'll see MCP Social. If you click on that, you'll see our Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Vimeo, and Instagram feeds. And if you hit Procore at the top, it will take you to the Procore website where you can log in and use Procore. And at the top left, MCP Films, which just takes you to straight to our Vimeo site, and MCP VR, which takes you to a couple projects that have some 360 photos and VR. And from there, we can start our Build It process by either hitting Projects or Create Build It. I'll hit Create Build It, and then just hit Go to Projects, and you can select your project from there. You'll see I have tons of projects. That's because I'm assigned to every project within Procore. So I'll go ahead and type out the one I'm looking for, and I'm looking for MCI Sandbox Test Project. I'll go ahead and select that. This is your project homepage. This is where you'll be able to see all of the past week's photos from the broadcasts. At the top, you'll see Send List. If you click on that, you should see your WBB address already populated in that field. If it is not populated in that field already, you can hit Add Email to the Send List, and a box will pop up where you can enter that address in. And this is where you'll also start a new broadcast inside of that project. So on the top right, you'll see that camera icon. Go ahead and select it. You'll see two options, either Add from Photos or Take a New Photo. I'll hit Take a New Photo first. And you can take photos either vertical or horizontal. This app will correct it either way, and it won't make the email look funny. And I'll now hit Add from Photos. You can just select any photos you want from your gallery by selecting them, and then hit Select at the top right. So on the bottom left of each photo, you should see a speech bubble that's grayed out. Go ahead and hit one of those, and you'll be able to add a comment to each one of your photos. And if you hit the bottom right check mark, you can select and deselect the photo from being in your broadcast. Blue means it will be added, gray means it will not be added. And a side note here, photos will be added in the email in the order you see them here. So the very left picture will be the top one, and the you picture will be at the very bottom. And when you're done adding photos, go in the top left and hit back, and you'll now see that that field is green. Once all of these fields, except for the bottom one, is turned green, this Create Build It Broadcast button will be orange and no longer gray, and you'll be able to select it and move on in the process. So after the photos and videos are selected, you have to look over the weather just to make sure it looks all good. And if you see something that you want to add or that looks incorrect, you can select on that day and add your notes to it. And then we'll move on to the summary of the week and milestones. And you will notice now that the Create Build It Broadcast button is now orange, and we can go ahead and hit that. And then a pop-up appears saying, are you sure you want to proceed with your broadcast? If you proceed and need to make updates to the in-app broadcast form, you'll need to start the broadcast over. Since I am done, I don't need to make any changes. I will go ahead and hit yes. And then it auto-generates an email template with weekly summary at the top, milestones after that. Under that will be the weather summary with your comments in red. Following the weather will be all of your images. Here's the two I took, one with the comment, and then the two I selected from my photo gallery.